So let's pick up where we left off in the last video, the fourth ayah. So from the evil of nafathat. So nafatha comes from nafatha. So nafath is but we had discussed before, it follows the pattern fa'al, somebody who does something a lot. So blowing in something a lot, nafath. But nafatha is the feminine of nafath. So when you add ta marbuta at the end, then it becomes nafatha. Now nafathat is the plural of nafatha. So if you add alif ta instead of the ta marbuta, you get the plural of nafatha. So the feminine blowers in fi means in, and uqad knots uqad comes from ain qaf dal, and it means to tie up. In uqad, so aqd is a knot, and uqad is plural of aqd. So aqd is knot, ain qaf dal with sukoon on the middle mnemonic and a fatha on the ain. That's aqd is knot. But uqad, as written here, is knots. So they blow on, and then it's definite, so that's why it's al-uqad. So they blow on the knots to do magic. Then and then the last ayah is, and from the evil of the envier. Hasid is envier, so it comes from hasada, ha sin dal. Hasada means to envy, and hasid is the verbal noun of, as we had discussed before, of form 1, like ghasiq, hasid, malik, that we had discussed so far. So hasid is the envier, is executor of the envy, so root envy. So it's from the evil of the envier, إذا hasad, when he envies. So apparently there's a lot of evil that happens when an envier envies. So we're supposed to seek refuge from that. And so now you can see hasan also, if you notice, nafath is the same pattern as fa'al, which is the same pattern as khannas, as we had discussed in Surah An-Nas. So you can see there's so many roots follow that same pattern. Nafath, khannas, follow the pattern fa'al. So the ones who blow in the knot. And also, as an additional side note, uqad can also be looked at as difficulties or problems, the things that not like knots, and so they blow in the knots to do magic. And also some people take problems and make them worse. So that's also another meaning that we can glean from the ayah. So now this is the end of Surah An-Nas, so let's stop there. Surah Al-Falaq.